not ugly, your hair just needs a summer glow. I wanted to add brightness and dimension in my hair for the summer. Around $60, I was able to achieve this using the Arctic Fox Bleach Please powder lightener and ginger flare hair color. This stuff is incredible because it can lift up to 9 levels and it's really fast, so you don't have to be processing all day. Section off your hair in 4 quadrants. Take 2-inch diagonal sections. Skim the tiniest paper thin section off the top of that, making sure to leave a ton of hair out for dimension. Make sure to really go in with the teasing for that diffusion. And mix your bleach and developer at a 1-to-1 ratio. I use 10 volume for gentle lift. And mix until it's a cake batter consistency. Making sure to fully saturate your hair section. More is more when it comes to bleach. Continue taking 2-inch sections, skimming the top, teasing, and applying bleach. You want to make sure to check on your sections every 5 to 10 minutes. Hair has lifted to the desired level. Pull the foil off and wipe the bleach off with your glove. Each section is going to develop at different rates because you're applying it at different times, so just make sure to check on them. For the top section, I did go in with more of a weaving technique to diffuse a little extra. For the face framing sections, I did not tease as much. Careful with your face framing areas because these hairs are finer and easier to lift. For the top, I started working from my middle part, teasing and then weaving each section. Once my full head was processed, I just pulled all the sections off and then I applied the ginger flare hair color. Let that process for 30 minutes before rinsing out. 2 buckets of bleach, 1 bottle of hair dye for a total of $60. If you're also trying to have a summer hair glow up, make sure to check out Arctic Fox products using the link in my bio and use the code HeatherAF to save on your transformation. Love you. Bye.